Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to create a ringtone on Android. Here are the easy steps to create a ringtone on your Android phone using the free app called Ringtone Maker. First, unlock your Android phone, use your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Open the Google Play Store, search for Ringtone Maker, and install it. Launch it by tapping Open. Then tap on Get Started. Now, tap Trim Audio. Tap Allow. Choose a song or audio file from your phone. Select the part of the song you want as a ringtone. Adjust the sliders to pick the start and end points. Tap Cut or Save. Then choose the output quality. Then hit Confirm. Confirm the selection. Then tap Set as Ringtone. Then hit Allow. And toggle on Allow Modify System Settings for Ringtone Maker. Choose Default Ringtone as the save option. Then hit Confirm. Tip: you can also set it directly from the app in some versions. Works with MP3, WAV, and other common formats. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.